Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in previous video series, we looked at the two libraries NumPy and Pandas. So in this part of machine learning, we are going to be looking at Matplotlib because it is actually slightly more interesting. So the first thing you want to know is what is Matplotlib? So Matplotlib is a Python library used for plotting data, so you can see it visually in different types of graphs. So that's why I said it would be a little bit interesting because we're going to be because you're going to be because we're going to be not lurking, working on graphs, and it would be really nice to actually use and visualize them because we're humans. We actually like it when it's when we can visualize something clearly and not just see it in a bunch of numbers like with pandas and numpy. So, so the reason it is called matplotlib, so it says matplotlib because you plot data with it, so that's why it's called matplotlib. So, what is Matplotlib made up from? So, this might come as a surprise because it's actually made with NumPy, so you can actually build it up properly, and it's also made with Python. Well, obviously, because it is a Python library. It's made with NumPy, so you can actually so it uses NumPy, so it can absorb all the data and plot it perfectly. Okay, because you'll have to pass in code so it can convert it into like numbers. Okay. So what are we going to cover during this section? So we are actually going to be collecting some data. Obviously, if you want to make a graph, you need data. Create a figure, which is basically an empty box. We're going to plot some data on it. And we're going to be customizing the data as well. So we might be adding a name for the x-axis or a name for the y-axis. We might even change the type. We might make a pie chart or a bar graph or a line chart, anything. Matplotlib has all of those abilities to plot wherever you want because after all, it's Matplotlib. And we'll also be learning how to save and share data because that would actually be quite nice, wouldn't it? To save and share data. It'd actually be pretty good. So, basically, this video was actually very, very short, but I just wanted to give you a tiny little introduction to NumPy, not NumPy, sorry, Matplotlib, so you guys know what we'll be covering throughout the next few videos. So, see you in the next video where we are going to be learning how to import Matplotlib and different ways to use Matplotlib. And we also might be covering this part. This part is actually the easiest. So, see you next time. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or doubts below, please comment them in the comment section. Bye.